Are you flushing money down the drain by using mains water for livestock or for irrigation or general use? If you have a spring, stream or river, there is a better choice. You can buy and install a Papa pump. Deliver water to where you need it without using any fuel or electricity. It's free water. Save money by saving energy. Save time and money on maintenance and repairs. Call us to find out how quickly your savings will pay for your Papa pump. Call today and start saving. And don't just take our word for it. Ask our customers.
We used the Papa pump system because there was no electrical power where all the water was, and obviously they run off their own water supply, and it's easy to install, and there's no hassle with wires and connections and electricity meters. Our water bills have been about $22,000 a year, and now we're only using mains water for washing the parlour down and in the house, so the cattle are drinking the rest of it, and we're estimating between £18,000 and £20,000 a year saving.
We were looking at what we could save with our utilities, because all the prices are going up all the time, and the Papa pumps sounded too good to be true, but they are working very well. We would have paid as much out in mains water that would have covered the cost of the pumps in the first year. Getting something delivered for nothing once we've paid for the initial installation is a no-brainer as far as we were concerned.
As long as your filters are clean and water's going through it, so it's just so simple, and the water is delivered where you want it. I've seen how easy it is to take water from a stream and use for irrigation purposes.
We're on electric pumps from a borehole, and the pumps were working some 6-7 hours a day in and out over the 24-hour period, and now they run that is just a backup system, and they will be only running for sort of an hour, maybe hour and a half a day. So it's a dramatic, the most efficient system you could possibly have.
Solved all my water problems, no more water bills, saving me a lot of money, paying for itself very quick, and I think it's a must for most farmers.
It's clean, cheap way of moving water around the farm, so we're very pleased with that.
Essentially it's free water, providing there's enough water in the stream you can get a greater deal of water to the places you need it on the farm, which is very useful for us.
The water they used to use was used for a booster set, electric power booster set. All of that is now gone with this system. There is no human interface whatsoever, nor is there any external power supply, no pneumatics, hydraulics. It's just the head of water off the top of the tank behind me, feeding the mouth of those pumps, repressurised back up to the top. It works 24 hours a day.